Hello! It's me, メル。今日はいろんな日本のお菓子を食べてみようと思います。で、今回は私一人じゃなくて、イギリス人の女の子と一緒に食べてみようと思います。メラニーというインスタとか TikTok とか YouTube ショートやってる女の子が最近日本に来たばっかりだから、全ての日本のお菓子食べたことなくて、私もそんなにいっぱい種類のお菓子食べたことない。まだ2人でいい日本のはい2人で好きな日本のお菓子を探そうと思ってます。で、今から買い物に行ってメラニーと会ってで帰ったら食べてみよう。何があるのは見てみましょう。
Do you speak in English or Japanese?
I speak in both. Maybe English.
Okay.
I guess it sounds more natural.
True.
Two English people speaking Japanese to each other on purpose. Let's pick some sweets.
Yes.
Okay. これどんなものちょっと待って、私子供の時にこれあった。Like fake tobacco for children. I remember this type of thing when I was a child. Some sour lemon. Oh, I think one of them is sour.
Yes.
And then the other ones are normal maybe.
If you eat all three, I think they're more sour.
Oh, これ奈良公園で鹿食わせたやつ。Oh, is this Japanese? Does this count?
Does it work?
I imagine it does, but I don't know. So, we've arrived back home with our snacks. We spent some yen on all these snacks. Here's my little shushu. Let's have a look at what we got. Ta-da! 私酸っぱいもの大好きなので、酸っぱそうなものあったらとりあえず買った。We picked things mainly based on how they looked. So we're trying many things for the first time today. I think I've had like a potato stick maybe.
Oh.
Like a salad potato. It's like a green one.
Oh, like the jagabata demo, the green one.
This reminds me of this.
In Scotland, we had like these, but it was like blue. It didn't have the sprinkles.
I mean, I vaguely remember sticks and chocolate.
These I've never tried.
Competto.
I've seen them around, but I've never tried them.
Competto is really popular, I think, in Japan.
Yeah,
I think it's a Portuguese
Oh, really?
snack. いただきます。That's really interesting.
It is.
And you're right, like I would keep eating it.
They're like inflated nuts.
Right? The first, when you put it in your mouth, it tastes mostly like peanut. But then the caramel is like,
and you're like,
it's really not. Oh my goodness. I would eat this whole thing. But I can't eat the whole thing because I have to try lots of things.
I'm like, I like these sweet things, so literally sweet anything.
Perfect. Next, I will try this green thing.
Did you ever have fruit binders as a child?
Yes. 子供の時に似たようなお菓子があって、すごい2人にも懐かしい。The reason I got this one, I think it's like the dipping.
Oh.
Like the lollipop where you dip
Oh yeah.
and it's fizzy.
Did you remember the foot one? It's like a fruit shake.
I didn't have a foot one, but I remember something like this when I was a child.
Yeah.
It really does look like
It does, doesn't it?
exactly how it smells appley. I think it's apple.
Yeah, it's apple.
Okay. This was really good. I like it. I could eat more of that.
It's a bit sticky though.
My hands are sticky. This one you said you tried. Oh, you got pranked.
Yeah. I was skeptical, but they are sour.
Oh, they only look sour. They look like a little button.
They're like gummy.
At first it's fine. I guess yeah, it comes to the back of your throat. What? It's so. I should give you some water. Okay.
It's all good.
I like it.
I can do out to be good souvenirs.
They are often quite souvenirs, like when you go to tourist places. No, monster in the cupboard. He likes to sleep in them. So you said that you had 13 cats at home?
I do. I have 13. My mum is just a crazed cat collector.
So I got this thing called Gogo Gum in strawberry. It looks like it comes out here, yeah. So the reason I got them was because they really reminded me of Tic Tacs.
Yeah, I like the Tic Tac box.
Do they have Tic Tacs in Japan? I don't know if I've seen
I've
them.
never seen them.
When we were children, we had Tic Tacs, and they're like a little mint,
Yeah.
and they're little like tablet shape, and they come in a box like this. But I know that they aren't mints. One of them says gum, and the other one says chocolate. It's like a tiny Smartie.
Oh really? Oh.
Do you want to try some?
Yeah. They actually look like small Smarties actually. The
Yeah.
colors. They're nice though. Oh, anpanman. Pero candy. Momo. I love everything peach. That's why I got these. I saw peach. I was like, I'll get them. Oh, it's got a little anpanman face. That's so cute.
I don't know who this guy is, but I see him often.
Yeah.
それめっちゃよく見る。まるやかチョコ、スカスカシュー。Oh, they are just lots of little balls. Oh, this looks fun. Can I have one? Go
Yeah.
ahead.
Thank you. They look like little fitteroles.
That's it.
Fitteroles.
That's the one I
That's the
wanted,
one.
right? Profiteroles.
Fitteroles. That's what they look like.
This is really good.
じゃがバタ
私これ食べたことない。これ。
私も。
一回北海道のじゃがバター。あれは一回食べたことあるけど、これは初めて。これちょっと大きいね。Like
Squashed
pumpkin.
potato.
Oh, this one's circle. I've never had this.
Oh, it smells nice.
It looks like this.
It smells buttery.
It does smell like it. It smells really good. Do you want to sniff?
それ好きと思う。
そう、バターだから怖いな。
そうね。
Wow. It does smell like jacket potato.
It does. That's really good. That's really
めっ
good.
ちゃ美味しい。
That's really good.
めっち
I
ゃい
really
い。
like that. That's so cute.
Right?
Little cat.
I got this one because there's a cat on it.
Literally, definitely.
This is the cat I got. Oh, I like how it's just like there, like when the moment I opened it.
Oh,
Kawaii.
it's a cat.
It's always interesting. It's not what I was expecting. It's like got a crunch in it still.
It's like the little bar of like Maltesers chocolate bar with like the little bubbles in it.
じゃあ、続きましょう。I got this one because it reminded me of Kinder eggs.
Yes. Oh my gosh, Kinder eggs.
It's the Crayon Shin-chan.
Oh, 진짜. Oh, so good.
Now it's just a naked white thing. It's interesting. It looks like it's a door. Oh, it does have a door. Does it slide? No. It
It's
slides.
like.
I guess this is a good dispenser for your children.
True.
Like if you don't want to give them everything in
Yeah.
one pop, you give them this. They look like Smarties. Ta-da! They are Smarties.
They are. They are like akana.
Like どんな味がするがわかんない。
Baby snacks are very like plain looking, but like milky. I feel like
Right.
this will taste milky.
Right?
That's my opinion. They smell bready.
Bready.
Little loaves of bread.
They look so cute. Oh, yeah. Maybe a little bit buttery.
Yeah. So what is that?
I don't know. Can't describe the flavor.
It's like sweet, but it.
It's sweet, but it's not too sweet. こういうちっちゃいジェリー日本で売ってる。だけど、虫のためのジェリーもある。で、カブトムシがそのジェリー食べてるから、何か人間用、何かカブトムシ用とか、両方は別に人間食べれるかどうか私はわかんないけど、これちょっとカブトムシのジェリーが思い出す。There's also this little corn. A powder. ヨーグルトじゃない、just ヨーグル。モロッコヨーグル。
It looks like it looks solid.
I think it's actually squishy. I'm wondering if it's like a marshmallow
Oh.
or like nougat.
Yeah.
Type thing.
Oh yeah, that would make sense.
That makes more sense. Maybe this is a nougat type thing.
Yeah. It's like fluffy. Is it like a fluffy?
It's like meringue.
Oh.
It's very soft and tastes like air. This is actually really nice. I was surprised. I was a bit worried. I was
Yeah.
like, I don't know how to eat this. But this is actually really nice. 私かなり抹茶が好きで、これは抹茶のコーダ。Is that サコーダ？サソーダ？サンダ？サンダ！
So and are too similar. That's a strong strawberry smell.
Oh.
It smells very, very strawberry. 入ってるかな？ラッキースター。
あ I wonder if it's thunder?
Yeah.
Sando.
Like
Sandwich?
sandal? Sandal
Maybe?
みたい。
This really tastes like matcha. すっごい抹茶の味がする。あ、美味しい。
Tastes like strawberry ice cream.
おう。
Mm.
悲しいね。
欲
Doesn't
しい
look like this in
欲しい
Hoshi. 欲しちゃったらいいな。strawberry 富士山。
富士山。いちご富士山。
Right. It's kind of like
Ice cream.
an ice cream flavor. More so than chocolate.
Yeah.
これは見た瞬間に子供の時思い出した。
I remember as a child, I would pretend to smoke with it.
Right?
My mom would be like, don't do that. That's really good. Very orange.
Refreshing.
It's refreshing, yeah.
This super sour looking. 超酸っぱ。Do you want to try one?
I'm a bit scared now.
It smells very lemony. It
Jesus Christ, oh my god.
has a warning on it.
That's not a good sign. Oh no, I'm scared. It felt like chocolate because it was like the little bun was like...
Is it gum? Would you eat it? So far so good.
Oh god. Oh, it's kicking in.
私めっちゃ好き。
Very interesting. Looks like a little alien thing. A little mark.
Is it like a peach jellyfish?
Oh my god, that's true. Oh, it is. That's really cute. That's so cute. Oh my god. Oh, that's so cute. You can see the little eyes.
Oh, it's a little face.
So cute.
これめっちゃ有名 I think. Now I had heard of haichu maybe even before I came to Japan.
I think I've seen haichu in English. Like haichu.
Right.
I think I've seen that before.
Right. Ooh, it smells like cider.
It does.
Mm.
That's a nice apple flavor.
It's so chewy. You can see why it's popular.
Haichu. I might take some as souvenirs home.
Yeah, I think haichu is a good souvenir. I think of the things we've eaten today, this one was one of my favorites. And
Yeah.
this guy.
I agree. This is my favorite so far. And haichu actually. Haichu was good. I like that.
ごちそうさまでした。
ごちそうさまです。
すっごく美味しかった。いろんななんか好きな食べ物は見つけました。今度買ってみるとか、お土産としては家族に持って帰れるのがすごく嬉しいね。
I'm usually scared to try like new things, so I'm glad I was just able to sort of try what was there.
Right? Yeah, I feel like also sometimes I will like find one thing I like and then just stick to that.
Yeah.
で皆さんの一番好きなお菓子をコメントでぜひ教えてください。メラニンのチャンネルもありますので、ぜひそれも見てください。
お願いします。
If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!